Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a scrapbook layout for Scrapbook Nerd, and this is for the fall crop. So over on the Scrapbook Nerd Facebook group, we are doing a crop event this weekend, and there will be prizes and challenges and all that fun stuff. So each of the design team members are posting a different challenge throughout the day today, and you can go over to the Facebook group and participate in these throughout the week. So my challenge is called Falling for You. So for this challenge, you can document you and a loved one, a picture of your loved one, in any capacity. It doesn't have to be a partner or anything, but it's titled Fallen for You because it's a fall crop, and so I'm rolling with the word fall, and you can fall for anybody. You know, it doesn't have to be like a boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife. It can be anyone. It's just about love. So I am documenting a picture of Andy, and this is him with his birthday cake, and I believe it was last year. I'm catching up on some photos that I never documented. Sometimes they end up, there's one page in an album that I didn't do, and I got to go back and do it. So that's what this is. And so I'm using the Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser collection. I love this collection. It's so fun. And had to use that I Heart You sticker. I've been hoarding it a little bit and happy to finally use it. And that frame, I'm almost done using up everything from the ephemera pack, which is fun. And it's kind of funny because I somehow forgot about using the sticker book and the word stickers. So I don't know how, they're in my pile there. I just never looked at them, but I still think that the layout turned out great. And it kind of just goes to show, sometimes we're a little bit all or nothing with the collections we buy. It's like, if we don't buy the whole, at least this is for me, if we don't buy the whole collection, then what's the point in buying it? But this just goes to show that you don't need every single piece from every single collection to be able to have full and complete and lovely projects. So yeah, I hope that kind of helps you and is a little bit of encouragement that you can just use what you have. You don't need every single product from every single line to be able to complete a layout, and you don't have to skip out on a collection just because you can't. Sometimes we can't afford to buy every single piece, or we just don't have room in our stash. We can buy some and still make it work really well. So this layout came together really fast, actually. That's why you can see this video is pretty short. But I don't know, it just somehow came together, and I really love how it turned out. It's simple, but I got to use some of my favorite pieces. I love these titles. The puffy tabs are really fun, and I'm just going to use some of these old Paige Evans stickers from my stash to write birthday boy, because I kind of wanted to put somewhere on here that it was his birthday. Because it was. And so the cake that we got for him, or I got for him from one of our local bakeries, it's kind of a long story, but there's when our favorite player of the Buffalo Bills, Josh Allen, joined the team. I don't know if it was when he was a rookie, or I don't know when it was. There was a challenge or video to draw the logo or mascot or logo, I guess. Yeah. The Buffalo Bills logo, and he did a terrible job of it, and so I asked them to do that on the cake because Andy has a hat with that on it because it's just funny, it's just a silly thing. So I was able to get them to do that on the cake. Sorry if I sound kind of nasally. My allergies are really bad right now. If you don't know, I'm allergic to cats, and I have 2 cats, so yep. And today, sometimes my allergies are just worse some days than others. And today it's bad. I'm just using some mist spray on here, and I sewed the border with some black thread. What else did I have to say about this? I'm going to have the links down below for the Facebook group to join in on the challenge, and you can win some gift cards and things. And it's going to be a fun weekend. Get those projects done, those photos documented. And it's going to be a really fun weekend, so make sure you check those links below. Oh yes, I decided to add some journaling because I felt like it needed a little bit more black. I don't know, I don't love how I splattered the mist spray everywhere, but I still think it looks fine, and I think the journaling helped to bring it all together. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, wow, this layout came together so fast. It literally took me 12 minutes to make this layout. And yeah, so that's it. Go check out the links below. Thank you all so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.